Okay, I'm going to try and give you a high-level explanation of how our computer program learns control strategies from a human expert. So the first problem we need to solve is how do we tell the computer what's going on the road? To do this, we construct what we call a state, which is basically a list of numbers. It contains information on where vehicles are, how many there are, how fast they're going, and thus it describes to the computer what's happening on the road. Now, all possible states that could exist on the road describe a space, which we call a state space, and we can think of this as like an area of real space, like this space in front of me, only it may have many more dimensions. What we need our machine learning program to do is to divide this space up into regions that are associated with decisions. So what I mean by that is, if our current state is here in this region of state space, then we say we'll give the green light to these vehicles. But on the other hand, if it's down here in this region of state space, then we'll say we'll give the green light to these other vehicles. When the human plays the computer game, what we get are little samples linking points in state space with decisions that the human is making. So over time, as these decisions build up, the computer receives more and more samples of these little pieces of information, and it can use them to work out the best way to divide the space up to mimic what the human is doing.